Hi everyone, let's talk about week 9. So this week we're going to start our argument essay for this class, our second essay. And in terms of readings, to get started on the essay, we're going to start with reading. So I want you to choose just one of the argument clusters in your book. So there's one cluster, which is 3 articles on pages 579 to 597. So this is on race and privilege and bias. The second cluster is on education, and it's about comfort and learning in terms of sort of making accommodations for certain people in different situations and what is sort of right and wrong in that case. And there's 3 articles ranging from these pages. Just pick one of the clusters. If you're not sure which one, you can definitely just skim the articles and see kind of what you feel like you can relate to the most. But pick the one that is most interesting to you and you feel like you have had experience with or you have ideas about or observations about. That will help you. I also have a couple of videos here with some writing ideas about thesis statements, introductions, conclusions. Take a look at those. We're also going to be working on the first essay assignment this week, as I said, which will come out of the reading assignments. So what you'll do for that particular assignment this week is turn in a brainstorming and outline. So what you're going to do is read the articles, participate in our discussion this week to get your ideas going, and then you'll submit the brainstorming and outline. This is the template here, so you just click to download it, and then you can fill it in. Also, I have a video here about filling it in that might be helpful to you. The last thing for this week is the concision quiz. So you guys have been working on concision for the last few weeks. You've had some content pages, some exercises to do. So this week I want to test your ability to be able to take a sentence and make it more concise. So if you have any questions, let me know, but I hope you have a wonderful week.